Morning, Adam. Nice to meet you. Really appreciate your time today.
Good to meet you too, Stephen. No problem at all. As office manager here, I do try to keep myself aware of what's new in the market for our printing needs.
Absolutely. Always makes sense to see what other options you have and to see what innovations are coming along in the future. So, I see from my notes that you're currently using Xerox printers and copiers. How have they been serving you so far?
We've been using Xerox machines for nearly 3 years now, and they've been pretty decent. They do the job, you know?
Great to hear that you've had a solid 3 years of service. Are you currently coming to the end of that lease period, or do you have a 5-year contract with Xerox?
We have a 3-year contract which ends later this year, hence why I'm looking at options for what we might do after that. So far, though, the Xerox range has been very reliable for us.
Totally understand that reliability is crucial. However, I think that Canon's approach could potentially elevate office productivity for you. Our latest models boast much faster print speeds, use less ink, and crucially, make it much easier for staff to digitize documents directly into projects they're working on.
That all sounds intriguing, especially the digitization part, but our team is familiar with their current Xerox units. Transitioning might disrupt our current workflow.
I understand. Change can be a bit unsettling at first, but Canon's user interfaces are designed to be very intuitive, and our on-site training sessions ensure that your staff quickly adapt to the new features. Plus, our Canon Direct support will be at your fingertips to provide guidance at any time.
All right, I can see that, but Stephen, budget plays a significant role for us. Our current supplier offers us very competitive rates, and it's a relationship we value.
Budget considerations are completely understandable, Adam. While there's an initial investment, Canon photocopiers come with the most energy-efficient technology available today, which could lead to substantial long-term savings for you.
Energy savings are intriguing, but we do have quite an established partnership with our current supplier. We've built a rapport with them. They haven't let us down, and that's important to us.
I appreciate the value you place on relationships, Adam. We offer a dedicated account manager to guarantee a seamless switch. Plus, our on-site preparations would start months before you switch over, making the integration as smooth as possible.
That's a fair point, Stephen. My worry is that we have an ongoing maintenance agreement with our Xerox solutions provider. Changing might jeopardize the level of support we're used to.
I understand your concern, Adam. Canon boasts a top-tier service network known for its responsiveness. We provide proactive monitoring and remote diagnostics to prevent any potential hiccups. Our aim is to ensure a seamless experience for you and your team.
These are compelling arguments, Stephen, but given that we have almost 20 desktop and workgroup printers here, I'll need concrete details before making any suggestions to our FD.
Of course, I'm more than ready to provide you with an in-depth proposal outlining the potential advantages, costs, and tailor-made package options that suit your unique needs. We can go through it together and ensure you're fully comfortable with the plan.
That sounds fair. Okay, send me the proposal. Let's reconvene and discuss it after I've had a chance to review it and compare with our current contract.
Absolutely, Adam. I'll get a proposal ready for you this week.
Thank you, Stephen. I appreciate your time today. Let's touch base after we've had time to look through the options available to us from Canon.
No problem. I'll pop through some diary options for next week so we can talk about the proposal then.
Thanks, Stephen. Speak to you next week.
Thanks, Adam. Chat to you then.